how to find first name settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find first name settings. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click these 3 points, and once you're here click edit profile, and here we'll find personal info. Click on it, and then here you will find that first name. Here you can manage it, here you can change it, it's easy. And then click this icon if you want to save it, and that's it, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.